So today we're going to show you on how to be able to replace a thermal fuse on the Supra 11. Now on the Supra 11, to access the inside of it, you would have to remove the trays, and on each side there's about 3 screws to be able to remove the tray. So we're going to start with a screwdriver. Locate the screw that's underneath. Loosen that out. Same goes the other side, and then here's another one. Once you go ahead and get the tray removed, then you'll be able to slide it down, but you would have to do it on both sides. And make sure you hold on to the screws, and once you do that, then you can slide down the tray. Once you slide down the tray, same goes again on the machine itself. There will be screws. You want to remove any of these locations for the machine itself, and it's going to be the smaller ones. The bigger ones we're holding the trays. The smaller ones, it's going to be for the machine. And there's one more location right underneath the steamer arm. As you can see, it's a tinier, smaller hole. And the same goes on the other side. And we make sure you hold on to the screw, so we have to assemble it right back on the same way we just took it off. So once we go ahead and remove all the screws, we can then lift off the face for the Supra 11. And once we go ahead and lift it off, then we have access to be able to see the thermal fuse, which is located right here. Now sometimes they're hold down with a zip tie or a tie around it. You can go ahead and cut through that. The white clear, you can go ahead and cut through, and you don't need to replace with any zip tie because it's stationary. They secure it this way because it is coming through a long way, and you just pull it out, and then what we go ahead and do is disconnect the thermal fuse. Also disconnect the connection, there's zip tie again. Now for all the new models, instead of a screw, there's a pin. You push it down and release it out. The older model one is going to have the screw in that you just removed the thermal fuse. And that's how you'll be able to remove the thermal fuse. And placing it back, it's the same exact way that we just took it off on that. We would have this, place it back in and connect it the same way that we just took it off.